to submit to SAM for grading. Okay, so step 1, as a personnel security analyst for Focus Safeguards training, you provide companies with their annual ID badge refresher training. You also want to enhance the first part of your presentation. Start by creating a custom design element on the slide 1 title slide. A, use smart guides to position the yellow sun shape on top of the purple starburst as shown in figure 1. So figure 1, if you scroll down, is right here, so that's what it's supposed to look like when you move it. So you just haul this over here until you get the smart guides that you see in that figure, which is the little cross like that. And B, send the yellow sun shape to the back. So it's selected there, so we go to shape format and send backward, but we're going to send to back instead of just sending it backward once. C, first select the purple starburst shape and then select the yellow sun shape and merge the two shapes using the subtract option. So we're going to choose the purple, click and hold on your control button, choose the yellow, and now you're going to stay in your shape format and go over here to the insert shapes group, click on merge shapes and go to subtract. Okay, and then D, change the merge shape to a height of 1.3 inches. So there it is, and we go over to our height, and we go 1.3. And then E is to use the smart guides to position the merged purple shape in the light blue box as shown. So we'll scroll down. That's what it's supposed to look like. Again, you can see the red cross. So we will move till, whoopsies. We'll move till we have a red cross here. There, perfect. Step 2, on slide 2, copy and align shapes to highlight key points as follows. Copy one of the rectangular shapes and then paste it on the same slide. So here, so I'm going to click out in the orange, not going to click on the typing. I'm going to click out where I got my 4 arrows, right click, and I'm going to copy, and I just click on the slide anywhere and just click my typical paste. All right, change the text to compliance. So I'm going to click inside here. I'm going to double click so I highlight the whole thing. You could just backspace the word inside and retype it. C, use smart guides to position the compliance rectangle beneath the other rectangles as shown in figure 3. Okay, so they want you to line it up with awareness. D, select the rectangular shapes and use a line right. Okay, so this one again, you're going to use your control button. So click control and then select the other two. And you're going to go up to arrange and align right. Okay. And then E is distribute vertically to distribute the selected objects to each other. Ooh, there we go. So they're all still selected. So we can go arrange, align, and then distribute vertically. There we go. Step 3, on slide 3, convert the numbered list into the pyramid list smart art layout as shown in figure 4 to see if it makes the content more noteworthy. So this is what you're looking for, your pyramid list. Convert the numbered list into the pyramid list. Here's our numbered list. I'm going to select the outside of it. Inside, you see how you get a dotted line here. Make sure I put my 4 arrows to select the whole thing. Okay, so we're going to convert it to a smart art graphic by going to the paragraph group and convert to smart art graphic. And we're doing a pyramid list. Select out here to make sure it's the whole box selected, not an individual box inside. And then we're going to change the layout to a vertical box list. So I'm going to go to more layouts. I'm going to go to list to make it easier to find. vertical box list. Okay. B, apply the subtle effect smart art style in the best match for document section. So subtle effect smart art style. So we're going to go up to our smart art styles. Did it say subtle effect? Yes, it did say subtle effect. Subtle effect. This one. All right, step 4, with slide 3 still displaying, insert a hyperlink from the constant updates text to, I'm going to copy and paste that to make it quicker for myself. Copy. Constant updates text. Constant updates. And I'm going to go up to insert and link, and that's on my, as you see, my clipboard, so I am going to choose that one. So that is how to create a link. If you didn't do it the copy way like I did, you can go up to link and insert link, and then just type in here the address that you see in your instructions, and then click OK. Okay. Step 5 on slide 4, rearrange objects on the slide for better effect as follows. Slide 4. Change the color of the long blue rectangle to turquoise, accent one lighter 40%. 5th column, 4th row. Fifth column, 4th row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. B, apply the glow 8-point lavender accent color 6 glow shape effect to the turquoise rectangle. Glow 8-point lavender accent color 6 shape effect. Glow 8-point lavender. Glow. Glow 8-point lavender, accent color 6. C, send the turquoise rectangle to the back of the slide. Okay, so we did this one earlier. Send to the back. Flip the quality is key shape horizontally. Here's our quality is key. I'm going to make sure I select the whole outside. There we go. Rotate. Flip horizontally. E, group the turquoise rectangle. The picture and the quality is key shape. Okay, so grouping. So select, and then you click and hold on your control button, and that's the picture, and that's the rectangle, and you go up to group and just choose group. So they're all one picture now. Step 6 on slide 5, highlight the content by inserting a picture in a shape. So on slide 5, insert the cube shape from the basic shape section of the shape gallery. So just anywhere, we will insert a shape. In the basic shapes, we will insert a cube. Did I fly by the cube? No, is my cube here? Cube. So when you click on shape to insert it, you get little crosshairs. To insert it, you click and drag down to the right, and you can just draw your shape. B, resize the cube shape to a height of 3.5 and a width of 4.9. So 3.5 and 4.29, I believe. Yes. C, insert the file support scraper available for download from the SAM website as a picture will fill in the shape. As a picture fill in the shape. So we right click and we are going to format our shape. And we're going to go to fill and we're going to go picture and we're going to choose the source for our picture here. So it's usually going to go to your downloads folder, so you find it there and double click and there you go, it inserts it into the shape there. Seven, with slide 5 still displaying, show the ruler and guides, align the shape to the guides as shown in figure 6 and hide the guides. Okay, so we're going to need to show our ruler and guides. And we're going to need to move this so that it lines up like that with our guides. And then I'm going to turn the guides off again from the view section. Step 8, delete slide 7. It is no longer necessary. So you scroll down to the bottom, step 7, and then hit your delete button. Okay, in step 9, with slide 6 still displaying, change the color of the Smart Art outline to turquoise background 2. Smart Art outline to turquoise. There we go. Was it turquoise background 2? Turquoise background 2. There we go. Step 10, add slide numbers and footer text to complete your presentation as follows. Insert a slide number on all slides except the title slide. Hint, use the Don't Show Untitled Slide text checkbox in the header and footer dialog box. So we're going to insert So we're going to show Don't Show and slide number, and for the footer we're going to do ID badge refresher. ID badge refresher. Apply to all. Okay, so you can see that show up there, and slide number except the first one. Alright, so that is the end of this project. You can just make sure it says _2 and submit for grading. Awesome job.